actress from Telugu film industry, Payal. Hi, Payal.
Hi, Akul.
Why do you look so tense?
No, not really at all.
Just kidding. Whom are you supporting now? Match is changing. Almost 75 for 4, 76 for 4.
True. When I came, I was neutral because I do had a feeling whoever will play the best, I'll support him. But now, when I came and I saw Jiva playing, it was awesome. So I started supporting Chennai. And when I started to support Chennai, so definitely I'm going to support Chennai today.
Now look at the score. Whom do you want to support?
Chennai.
Chennai. Okay. And I'm sure you're excited about your release. Next release.
Yeah.
What's the name of it?
Mr. Rascal.
You're scolding me?
That's the name of the film.
Oh, the name of the film is Mr. Rascal. Okay, anyways, I wish you all the best, Payal. May that movie bring you a lot of success.
Yeah, looking forward for that.
Anyways, enjoy the match. Thank you so much, Payal. This is what Payal has to talk about. Over to the commentary.
Well, that's what we've been waiting for. We've been talking about in the commentary box. Sudeep going for those big hits, producing a chance, a wicket-taking chance for the opposition. And the bowler getting it right. He misses, the ball hits the wicket.
Just what the Karnataka Bulldozers didn't want. Match looks to be firmly in favor of...
Well, Bulldozers now in a really tight corner. Sudeep would be disappointed. He might have doubts that his campaign and his dream of winning the CCL is disappearing quickly.
Well, that's what happens at times. Karnataka Bulldozers have been the most consistent team leading up to the finals. Suddenly the pressure of chasing 190 getting to them. That's a close call and he's given him. LBW. 77 for 6. The Karnataka Bulldozers in disarray. The Chennai Rhinos looking like they've got this match all sewn up. In the block hole, not the delivery you want to face early in your innings. No hesitation in the umpire's mind. That's as plumb as you can get, Sanjay.
Absolutely, Rohan. What a ball to bowl to the new batsman. You've seen Malinga bowl that ball. And what a task, what an uphill task that he has on his hands.
It's not going to be easy from here on, Sanjay. 77 for 6. The Chennai Rhinos after 10 overs were 101. So not only have Karnataka lost more wickets, they're well behind the run rate as well.
And what a delivery that Shantanu has produced. Up in the block hole, plumb in front of the middle. There's no doubt in the umpire's mind.
And great seam position as well, Sanjay. The seam was upright as the ball went through to the batsman. Maybe moved a little bit, and that fuddled the batsman a little bit. Not the easiest delivery to get when you first come to the crease. Chennai Rhinos on the attack. They've got 6 fielders within the 30-yard circle. Having said that, I would have liked to see the fine leg up. Fine leg back on the fence. That's a 4.